Hello! So this video we're going to look at how you use Google Meets or Hangouts to schedule therapy sessions in the future. Now in the previous video, which will be linked around here somewhere, it was focusing on setting up a virtual teleconferencing system with your client where you might need to have a HIPAA compliant or another type of regulatory compliant process to be able to communicate their personal health information and provide your speech, your occupational and behavioral therapy services. So we went over setting up that conference. We went over how to include and turn on different features, including sharing applications, building a Jamboard session so you have an interactive whiteboard that you can share with your client, and interacting and engaging with them, whether you're playing games or any other types of components that you want to include in your therapy session. So doing all of that is cute and all, but how do you schedule a meeting in advance and be able to have your clients and whoever you're trying to meet with know where to meet before the meeting and how to access Google Hangouts Meet or the Jamboard session instead of you having to manually invite them at the start of the meeting? To do so, head back over to where you can see this little 3x3 icon with your G Suite account. Click that, and you want to open up your calendar. So on your calendar, I can see that I have a therapy session with Susie here. I want to go ahead and set a therapy session with, let's say Isabel. So that session is going to be at 12:30 to 1:30 on March 26th. I'm going to add a guest, and since Isabel is a made-up name, there's not going to be anything in there. But then I want to add a location or conference. Location, you can set this as virtual. That's not really of concern, but what we do want to add is adding this conference. All you have to do is click on Add Conference, and this will add all of your login details right to this screen. So next, you can add therapy session to work on whatever this goal might be with Isabel. And then you can save it. Next step, when you're ready to start the meeting, you and Isabel or whoever else is on the invitation can just click on the session with Isabel. You see the Join Hangouts Meet. They can join by phone, and then any other details would be located right here. Details can include instructions, access instructions. It can include other sharing services you might want to make available. That could include documents, it could include videos, or maybe even the Jamboard session that we were discussing before. Next steps, go ahead and click on this Join Hangouts Meet. Now it's going to open in a new tab and you are ready to go. You can go right back to Join Now. Your client or whoever you're meeting will see the same screen and you'll be ready to start.